Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check transmission fluid in a Nissan Sentra. First, park your vehicle on a level surface to ensure an accurate reading. It's crucial that the engine is at its normal operating temperature, so drive it for about 15 minutes beforehand. Before you begin, gather a few simple tools. A clean, lint-free rag and a funnel will be very helpful for this task. This preparation ensures a smooth and correct fluid check. Next, locate the transmission fluid dipstick. It's usually a distinct color, like red or yellow, and can be found near the engine. Carefully pull the dipstick out, then use your clean rag to wipe it completely clean. Reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube, ensuring it's fully seated. Finally, pull it out one more time to get your accurate fluid level reading and observe its condition. Now let's interpret what you see. The fluid level should ideally fall between the hot or full marks on the dipstick. Pay close attention to the fluid's color and smell. Healthy transmission fluid is typically a clear, bright reddish color. If your fluid appears dark, cloudy, or has a distinct burnt smell, it could indicate a problem that requires professional attention. These signs are important indicators of your transmission's health. If your fluid level is low, it's time to add some. Make sure to use only the Nissan-approved transmission fluid for your specific model. Add very small amounts at a time, using a funnel to prevent any spills and to avoid overfilling. Overfilling can be just as detrimental as underfilling. After adding, recheck the level, and once it's correct, securely reinsert the dipstick. You've successfully checked your Sentra's transmission fluid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.